Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome. In this video, I want to tell you how you can succeed in affiliate marketing or any business. Not just a business, but even some other hope or dream or something you're going after. One thing you got to get rid of is fear. Another thing you got to gain is confidence. When I originally started doing videos, I was a little nervous in front of the camera. But it wasn't until I started doing videos in front of the camera that I started getting more used to it. And your videos do not need to be perfect. I know I've looked back in some of my videos that I've done recently. I've noticed I made a mistake. A little mistake here and there, but I'm not going to go back and change it because it's a kind of a minor mistake. If it was like a huge mistake, like getting the information completely wrong, I would have just redid the video. But the thing is, you got to get rid of fear and you got to gain confidence. You got to strengthen your mindset. There are some, if you join Exitus, there are some really good self-development and different motivational courses in the G500. I've gone over some of them and they're very helpful. But gaining confidence. Like I said before, when I first started doing videos, I wasn't comfortable. But what I started doing was I just took my phone and started making random videos and starting about my business. And then I got used to it, and now I do it. I talk to people as like I'm talking to a friend or a loved one. That's all I do. And it's not far from the truth because I do care about all of you. I do want to see you succeed. I'm not just in it to make money. Money is a good goal, and I do want to make as much money as I can, but I also want to see you succeed. If you join me, I want to see you succeed. And it's all about being simple. Simplicity and being truthful and honest is always gonna get people to join you, because that's what people join people. And one rule that I always say, and I learned this from my sponsor, who's been in Exitus a long time, and he always says, simplicity, getting out there, getting seen and heard. If you're not doing those things, you're not going to be successful. And you gotta find your own way of getting out to people. I highly recommend videos because we have these phones now where you can just make a video anytime. And that's really what it's all about. And it's really not that hard. But the big roadblock that everybody, that paralyzes people is the fear of failure. Or I can't do videos. Or I can't do this. Or I can't do that. Get the word I can't out of your vocabulary. If you can do that, then you'll be successful. But I'm telling you, you got to get over your hang-ups. You got to get out of those roadblocks that are holding you back. And this doesn't just apply to online business. It applies to anything else that you're going after. Now, in 2016, 10 years ago, I started this YouTube channel. And it is the best thing I ever did for my online business. And at the time, I was in a business that ended up failing. But because I didn't want to give up, so I started doing more research into different opportunities. And I wanted to find things that had been around for a long time, because I had been in other businesses where things ended up being similar, where they ended up failing. But Power Lead System and Exitus Elite, they've been around for well over a decade now. and they have proven themselves. Exitus is the main business I promote on this channel. You will see me promote like lead lightning, because that helps you get into the door of Power Lead System, and you can upgrade from then on. But that's what this channel's all about. It's about motivation. It's about helping you to find success in online business and anything else that you decide to do. That's why in a lot of my shorts, I usually do shorts that are motivational to other people. So I'm parked now. So that's pretty much why I like that's why I want to do these videos for you guys, because a lot of people have a lot of fears. The fear of failure is a big one, yes. And I know some people, when they watch some of my videos about Exitus, they see the big price tag, but there's a good reason for that. We have premium products, and we have high ticket payouts. So, and once you join that opportunity, you have the potential to make that kind of money over time. But not everyone's going to join you. That's a fact. And that's where, like I said before, simplicity, honesty, and all that stuff is what helps attract people to your business. Because in the end, people join people. And when you do end up joining, you can take advantage of some of the courses that are in Exitus. I don't really need them. I do look in those courses from time to time, because they are interesting and they can teach me more ways of getting out to people. But the simple fact is, people join people, and they may love their business, but if you don't just be simple and honest, people probably won't join you. Now, what was I going to say now? See, my videos aren't perfect. All I'm saying is, that's my message. Get rid of your fear and gain confidence, and be simple, and reach out to your people. That's all you got to do. People will start calling you if they believe in you. And just because you're in a lull right now, and you're not getting any more leads and sales into your business right now, doesn't mean people aren't going to join you in the future. They're going to see your videos. You can't force people to join you. And the more you're out there, the more you're getting traffic to your videos or your lead capture page or any of that stuff. The more leads you have coming to your platform, the better chances there are going to be sales in the future. So I do this all the time. I absolutely love it. I love helping people out. And that's pretty much it. That's all I want to say in this video. So if you like the video, definitely like it and comment below if you have any questions for me. And also, check out my Exitus videos. I have tons of them on my channel. That's why I do it, because I want to get the message out there. And I'm still a very small channel. I'm coming up to 300 subscribers now. And that's why I make the videos. And some of them are repetitive, but I do those videos because I want to get my message out there. So, like I said, get rid of fear, get rid of, and gain confidence. And the best way to do that is to practice doing videos like this. I'm going to have more videos like this in the future. I'm taking a little bit of break from the review videos of Exitus Elite because over the last 2 weeks I have put a lot of videos out there. I do that because I want to get some content out there again, because I kind of took a little bit of a break last year, and this year I'm going full board. I'm going right into it, especially since Exitus Elite has made these amazing updates to its platform. I absolutely love them. It just makes the platform so much better. And so all my contact information is in the description below, as well as the link to Exitus Elite and Lead Lightning, depending on which one you want to do. But Exitus Elite is my main life-changing business, and it can be a life-changing business for you. I just received a $500 commission 2 weeks ago, and that's because I'm getting out there, I'm getting seen, I'm getting heard, and I am confident. You can be confident too. I believe in every single one of you. Anyone can do I believe anyone can do affiliate marketing, but most people won't do it because they're not willing to get out of their comfort zone and get out there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.